Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ari from Tricky4U, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an AdMob account, and we will also learn how to create ad unit IDs. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. First of all, open your browser and head over to this website and click on sign up. Here select your country, time zone and billing currency. Accept the terms and conditions and click on create AdMob account. You can select no for all of these and click on continue to AdMob. Now click on get started. Just select the appropriate answer and click continue. Provide your app name and click on add app. Now that the app is added, let's create ad unit IDs. For that, click on add ad unit and select the type of ad. Give the ad unit name, and if you want then you can change some settings, but I'll leave this as it is. And now hit create ad unit. Now this is your banner ad unit ID. You can use the same process to create all types of ad unit IDs. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.